Greetings, Internet people, and welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve. So today I wanted to take my bike out, and I did, and I am. But today, Steve's hurting. I had what they tell me was a sty in my eye. I don't exactly know what a sty is. The only way to describe it is it looks like a little bump on my eye. And I don't know, I started playing with it and fidgeting with it. And then I went to bed and I woke up looking and feeling like I had a black eye. My right eye's swollen, it's red, it's raw. I am messed up. Before you ask, I went to the eye doctor. I had it checked out. You know what the cure is for this? $40 later. Put a warm compress on it. Call me in 5 days. If you have a problem, I'll give you an antibiotic. Huh, thanks. Well, anyway, before you ask, I am riding. My eye is open. It's not blurry. I can see. I'm just not comfortable. It's hurting. But I thought to myself, I could be hurting home on a recliner, or I could be hurting out here on the bike. Guess which one I picked? Alright guys, this is not a ploy for me to get viewers or comments or anything, but in all seriousness, if anybody here's had a sty in their eye and they got rid of it, could you just throw me a comment and tell me what you did? Because this is really uncomfortable. I mean, it's not, oh, it's uncomfortable, I'm not liking it. It's like, this is really bad. This feels like pink eye, and it looks like I lost a fight. Honestly, when I go to work tomorrow, it's going to be one of those, oh, you should have seen the other guy situations. And I wear contact lenses, so nobody at work has seen me in glasses until tomorrow. Ugh, and the itching, it's driving me crazy, but you can't scratch it, because if you rub it, it gets even more raw, and then it feels like it's getting warm. Ugh. Alright, seriously. If you know anything about this, if you've had this and you've recovered from it, send me a comment and tell me what you did, because I am not having fun with this. I do not like this at all. I didn't even know what to make the icon for this. Guy with a black eye? Guy with a black eye? I don't even know what that is. It's funny, somebody honks in on a motorcycle, you assume it's you. It's about you. It's for you. It's because of you. Alright, somewhere out there on YouTube, there's going to be an ophthalmologist. Throw me a bone here. Because this is not fun. Holy mackerel. I'm not sure whether the air hitting it from the motorcycle is making it feel better or worse. It's funny, all day I feel like I'm crying out of one eye because my eye's tearing. I said I did go to the doctor. I did go. Put a warm compress on it. Come back a couple of days. If it's still bothering you, I'll give you some. Why don't you just give me some? Or, when I called you on the phone, why didn't you just tell me that before you made me come in? That sucks. That just so sucks. Oh, hold on, we're going under a bridge. Have to rev. Okay, that feels better. Okay, guys, I think we're going to head home. It's getting dark. I got work in the morning. Alright, guys, we're going to head home. It's starting to get dark. It's looking very overcast, like it's going to rain. Got rained on once on here. Not very much into doing it again. So, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, comment, like. My name's Steve. You're watching Motorcycle Vision. Come back next time and I'll have more for you. Ride safe. Bye-bye.